A healthy heart is essential for overall well-being, and maintaining it requires a balanced combination of proper nutrition and regular physical activity. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the intricate relationship between diet and exercise in promoting cardiovascular health. By understanding the impact of various dietary choices and exercise routines, you can make informed decisions to nurture your heart and lead a vibrant life. Section 1. The role of diet in cardiovascular health. 1.1. The importance of a balanced diet, exploring the key nutrients necessary for heart health: fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Understanding the impact of excessive sodium, sugar, and processed foods on heart health. 1.2. Embracing heart-healthy foods, incorporating whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and nuts into your diet. Exploring the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids and their sources. 1.3. Limiting harmful dietary factors, the detrimental effects of trans fats and saturated fats on cardiovascular health. Strategies for reducing cholesterol levels through diet. 1.4. Monitoring salt intake, understanding the link between excessive sodium consumption and high blood pressure. Practical tips for reducing salt intake while maintaining flavor. Section 2. The power of regular exercise for heart health. 2.1. Cardiovascular benefits of exercise, exploring how exercise strengthens the heart muscle and improves circulation. The role of exercise in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 2.2. Choosing the right exercise routine. Aerobic exercises, such as walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling, and their impact on heart health. Incorporating strength training to enhance overall cardiovascular fitness. 2.3. Finding a sustainable exercise regimen. Setting realistic goals and gradually increasing the intensity of workouts. Strategies for overcoming common barriers to regular exercise. Section 3. Creating a holistic heart-healthy lifestyle. 3.1. Hydration and heart health. The significance of proper hydration in maintaining cardiovascular function. Balancing water intake with electrolyte levels for optimal heart health. 3.2. Managing stress for a healthy heart. The connection between chronic stress and cardiovascular disease. Exploring stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, and mindfulness. 3.3. Prioritizing sleep. The role of adequate sleep in promoting heart health. Establishing healthy sleep habits to improve overall well-being. Conclusion. Nurturing a healthy heart through diet and exercise is a lifelong commitment that pays dividends in terms of longevity and quality of life. By adopting a balanced diet rich in heart-healthy foods and embracing regular physical activity, you empower yourself to take charge of your cardiovascular health. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements, so start making conscious choices today to create a heart-healthy future.